Hi, I'm David from Brandon, Manitoba. Today I'm reviewing the Maximum Dual-Bevel Sliding Mitre Saw. It's a very solid saw. When you set it to an angle, it stays there. Speaking of that, one thing that I really like about it is the locking positive stop at the common angles. I know that's a 90 degree and I know it's going to stay there. Today I'm testing it by cutting up some 2x4s that I need for blocking. Works very well, very quick. And I know that's a perfect cut. Get a 15 amp motor and it's a 12-inch blade that'll do almost anything that you need it to do. I would recommend the Maximum Compound Sliding Mitre Saw to family and friends. Like most tools with the Maximum name on it, it's excellent quality and an excellent value. Thank you.